Business model for the Techterrarium from University of Brawijaya. Earth is a place where natures, humans, and animals live together. Humans start build a building for their prosperity, such as an apartment, factory, and the mining sectors, and many buildings. It meets a trash and waste that meets environmental damage for the earth. According to railwong.com, the fastest recycle process is made by the banana peel, and then the longest one is made by the styrofoam. While for the glass, it needs 1 millennium to recycle naturally. That's why we are using a glass for our business. Number 1. The business introduction for the Techterrarium. Techterrarium is a new revolutionary products that come from a recycled glass added by a new ways in planting a plant. That's called as Techterrarium. The workflow for the Techterrarium is as like that. The first is glass water is collected and then transferred to the recycled company and then made up to the plain glass. Furthermore, this plain glass is transferred to the parent company to added by the gravel and then the plants and then the organic nutrient to make as a Techterrarium products. Why we use a glass water? Because these 4 facts. The first is New York City throws away for more than 11,800 tractors trailer of glass each year, and then the North Carolinians throw out glass that would fill up more than 30 miles worth of tractor trailers lined up end to end. And then glass bottle can be used hundreds of times over to make new bottles, and then producing glass from virgin materials requires 30% more energy than producing it from crushed and used glass. Number 2. An assumption. An assumption we made is start from the hot temperature of the earth, while people want to reduce their temperature at least at their room, while they are reducing the use of air conditioner. They expect about comfortable and fresh air for their room, but no dirt. It can be placed at everywhere for minimum space and has an aesthetic value. So this is our business model canvas at first. The first is our customer segment is an office, an institution, and then hospitality sector such as hotel, restaurant, and etc. And the value we propose is a clean, flexible products, has a clean products, has aesthetic value, natural fresh air, and spray watering. Our channel for distributing is direct selling, retailing, and online shop, while we are keeping our customer satisfaction through the Hello Techterrarium. Our revenue streams come from the global sales and online sales. Our main resources is the raw material, employee, and equity, where our key activities is come from the production, research and development, and the last is the marketing. Our key partners itself is a glass recycle company, society and community, ornamental plant farmer, and then the government. Our cost structure that come from the production process is a production cost, marketing cost, research and development cost. Number 3. An action. We are doing several product testing. The first is customer interview and the online poll. We are asking to our customer about these 4 questions. The first is what are the difficulties in maintaining their products? And then the second is what are the problems that customer suffers from certain products. And then the third is the design fulfill the customer's need. And then the fourth is the products works properly. And then for the online poll, we are make questions, what are the product weakness? And then the answer would be the design, and then the usefulness, and then the pricey, and then the last is it is not really eco-friendly concept. From the product testing, we find several difficulties from customers interview and online poll. The first is lack of time. They haven't time to maintain their products. And then the second is potential fungus since it emits from the glass and then it is involved in water for the maintenance. And then is it difficult for maintenance after 3 months that we have to change and then replace the gravel. The fourth is this is expensive products, which is the price is for about $2 up to $25. The product form are a little bit rigid. It means that the product design is a bird. From then on, we make a several pivoting. The number 4, pivoting. We made several pivoting towards the value proposition. The first is flexibility and aesthetic value. We make it can be customized as the customer wants. Customer may think about our products that they have their own characteristic that will be transferred to our company. And we try to realize what our customer think into our products that fulfill the customer's characteristics. For the spray watering, we change with automated sprayer that can be setting as what the customers needs. And then another element to pivot is the key activities. We're adding maintenance support for the key activities, and then we're adding automated sprayer producers as our key partners, and then we added TTC care and TTC community to customer relationship, and then we added a maintenance cost and advertisement cost for our cost structure, and we added revenue stream is automated sprayer sales and maintenance supports costs. Number 5, the validated business model. We have made several pivoting to our business model, and then this is the final that I have told before at the previous slide. And then this is the market traction. From direct selling and retailing, we got a testimonial of customers, and from online shop, we got a polling category. The testimonial from the customer is from Nanda, the student of Brawijaya University. This product can make my room more fresh. And then from the Suli Indria, the member of Sobat Bumi community of Pertamina Foundation, she said that green product, I want to join with you to promote this project to societies. And then from Mr. Mujtahid Al-Fajri, as an event or coordinator for National Technopreneur Workshop, he said that I will give time for you to introduce your product in this event. Hopefully there is investor that interest with your products. And then from the polling categories, we have visitor, sympathizer, and then registered user, active user, and customer. The visitor as many as 80%, sympathizer as 77%, registered user as many as 38%, and active user only 1%, and customer only 22%. That's all the data that we have already gathered.